In this video, I will show you how to fix no service problem on iPhone. I will tell you 5 solutions to solve this problem, after applying which your problem will be solved. Solution number 1. Go to settings. Airplane mode turn on and turn off 3 to 4 times. Solution number 2. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on screen time. Click on turn on screen time. Click on this is my iPhone. Here scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Turn on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down and click on mobile data changes. Select allow. Solution number 3. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Click on software update. Make sure that your iPhone is update latest iOS version. Solution number 4. Go to settings. Click on mobile data. Turn on mobile data. Here click on mobile data options. Turn on data roaming. Next click on voice and data. Select LTE. Solution number 5. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Again click on reset network settings to confirm this process. I hope your problem will be solved.